Hi everyone, welcome to Homebody. I am Felisa, your host for today's video. So today's video is sponsored by Zgallerie. And we are inspiring you with a new sideboard, credenza, or buffet here in my home office. Okay, love, so I have the Artist Modern White 59-inch centered stone sideboard with 3 drawers. So here I have the sideboard styled, and it actually can be used as a buffet as well. And I'll show you how I styled it. If I was to use this as a buffet, how I would have it styled. But for me, I'm using this as a decor piece to display my accent pieces. And I also use it to store my extra decor. So basically you can say this is a multi-use, multi-functional piece. It's robust, elegant, and perfect for displaying your favorite decor items or a serving station. I'm loving the durable centered stone countertop as well. Oh my goodness, it is so pretty. I like that it has some gold, little tints of gray and cream, and just tad bits of brown in it. But I'm more so seeing gold than the actual brown. I also love the fluted details here in the drawers and the gold details here as well. And then you have some gold here in the doors. And as I mentioned, I will share, if you wanted to use this piece as a buffet, you know, if you wanted to serve wine or some cheese and grapes or whatever, you can set this up to entertain. So let me give you some specific details about the sideboard. It's 59 inches long, it's 17 inches wide, and then it says about 3 inches from the floor, using those super cute gold accent legs. So I did a little staging just to give you an idea of how you can style the buffet if you wanted to entertain in the evening. I have a wine chiller, some wine glasses, and a decanter. And then I also decorated in a little more simple manner with just a couple of cloches and a candle. I like the fact that it has the drawers, and I'm going to show you here how deep the drawers are. There are 3 drawers here, and I'm actually going to leave the link down in the description box as well as a coupon code just in case there's someone's interested in checking out this sideboard credenza or buffet. It's an awesome piece to add to your home. Okay, love, so let's talk about the remaining portion of this space. I'm going to start with my chandelier. My chandelier is from Oasis Lamps. I love this chandelier. I like the crystals that the chandelier has. I love these crystals. Of course, I love the gold accents. I have been watching this chandelier for about 4, maybe 5 years. And once I was able to get my hands on it, I actually grabbed it up from the sponsor. It was gifted to me from over on Instagram. So panning on down, talking about the desk, I get a lot of questions about this desk. Now, I purchased my desk from Rooms to Go many umpteen years ago. And it's a TOV piece. And they called it like an old Hollywood desk. I haven't seen this desk in years. But if I can find it, I will link it. But I'm like 99.999% sure that I won't be able to find it. But they do have similar desks to it, but not quite as exquisite as this one, you know, with the shape and giving you those old Hollywood vibes. So yes, I love the fact that these pieces, you know, I'm a matchy type girl. You know, I didn't plan on all these pieces, you know, matching together. But as you can see, the sideboard, the desk, and this actually dresser drawer over here all has the same like features. The dresser drawer here is actually, I'm gonna place the link down to it if it's available, but I think it's a Yida Home dresser, and it was actually gifted to me from a company, actually from Yida Home, from a collaboration over on Instagram as well. The lamp is from Walmart. It had a white shade, but I thought adding a black shade made it pop more, and it really did. Nothing wrong with the white shade, but trust me, this black shade took this lamp to another level. The wall art is from Home Goods. I know I'm kind of blocking the wall art, but I didn't even care. I was just happy that it looked cute over there. The chair is from Wayfair. That pillow on the chair is actually from Zgallerie. My bookshelf in the back is actually from Rooms to Go as well, but you can get your hands on this bookshelf from Walmart. So if it's still available, Walmart and Wayfair, if it's available, I will link it. I didn't even get close to show y'all what I have on the bookshelf. These vases at the top are from Home Goods. These bookends, as well as the ceramic books, are from Zgallerie, and I think these are from Amazon. You probably still can get your hands on these. And the little vases over here, let me come over there. These vases here are actually from Home Goods. This globe is also from Home Goods, and the actual Ming boxes are from Zgallerie. Then I have my printer at the bottom, yes. And all my drapes around my home are from Amazon. Then I have the wall art. This wall art, I think, is from either Home Goods or Burlington. And then I showed you guys this vase. It's getting dark, right? This vase is actually from Wayfair. It's a ceramic vase, super cute. They also have a smaller version. And I'm so mad because when I bought this one, it was like $109. And then they had the smaller one for almost the same price. Now, if you go on Wayfair, I think these vases are like $170, maybe $200. You know, one day I looked, I think they was $300, $400, $500. So if you're interested in this vase, grab it when you see it below $200. That would be an awesome price. Then I pulled my accent table out of my living room and put that in here to use it as a stand for the actual vase. My sconces, I've had these for a while. These sconces are from Zgallerie, and my wall art is either from Home Goods, Burlington, or Ross. I've had it for several years. I'm not really sure which of those stores that it came from. Then I have these cloches that are from Zgallerie, and they're on clearance now. I think you can get one for like $20 and one for $30. And I think they were normally like $60 and $50 or something like that, but they're on clearance. And then my elephant candle is from Thomas Ferrier. And these boxes are from Amazon, and another story behind these too. When I purchased these boxes, they were like $40. You have to watch them because sometimes these boxes are $70, sometimes they're $99. You know, you just got to catch them on a good day. But if you ever see them for $45, $49, grab them. It comes with 3 in a set. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, my sideboard is from Homery. I'm going to pan back. My area rug is from Well Woven. I'm not sure if this rug is still available, but if it is, I will link it. And these little ottomans on the side are from House. I haven't seen those in a while, but if they're available, I will link those as well. Then I have a little bar cart here, which is on the way out the door. My daughter is going to be getting that. I'm just trying to get rid of so much furniture because what I also want to do, you know, that's another story. So let me finish this. This vase here was a gift. And these flowers here, I don't know if you can see them. These are from Zgallerie. They're probably blinded out from the light there. Bar cart from Home Goods, and those little vases at the bottom are from Zgallerie. Now back to what I'm saying. I'm getting rid of some of this well, I've gotten rid of some stuff out of here. I took that Cricut cart out of here with that Cricut machine. It's gone. The fireplace is gone. Yes, I had a fireplace in here, and it's gone. Yeah, and so I'm going to give this bar cart to my daughter, because what I'm trying to do is put my exercise equipment in here. I want to put my exercise bike right here. I want to put my rower right here, and that rower can be folded up. You know, if I'm not using it, you can take it and fold it up, so that way it's not taking up so much space here in the floor. And then my treadmill, you know, it's one of those walking pads, you know, so I can just take my treadmill and just lean it up against that wall over there. And when I get ready to use it, I can just roll it over here. So I want this little space right here for my workout stuff. So that's why I'm getting rid of all this extra furniture. So this space is going to be my office, workout area, washroom, and yeah, that's it. Office, workout area, and my washroom is right behind me. So yes, that's what I have going on here in this space. And again, I'll have a link and a coupon code down below for the credenza if you're interested. Thank you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.